This is a product I wasn't expecting to be delivered so soon. It is the High Ground / Pokemon collaboration. It's basically high-end luxury mechanical keyboards for Pokemon enthusiasts like myself, based on High Ground's flagship Summit 65 mechanical keyboard. So let's jump into it. I'm not sure which Pokemon or which variant of keyboards they have sent me, but they've also sent me a little goodie here as well, which I'm going to unbox for you right now. I may quickly mention that I am not a keyboard nerd. I do love keyboards. I've got the new 8BitDo retro keyboard. I've used Aya Neo. I've used, Low Freeze keyboard. So I do have a wide selection of retro inspired keyboards, which I really do enjoy. But this one here is more focused on nostalgia, which I'm obsessed with. And I'm a big fan of High Ground stuff previously anyway. So let's see which Pokemon or which variant I have today. I'm hoping it's a Blastoise because he's one of my favorite starter Pokemon, but let's see what we've got here. Okay, bang, it is our boy Blastoise. You get a card here full of settings and functions for you to set up. Oh, okay, wow. Alrighty, let's take a look. So it's based on a transparent blue shell here. It's very slim, it's sleek, it's heavy. Let's listen to this on my microphone. Okay, look at that. Wow. The printing quality as well on the buttons is really, really good. You got the Pokedex number here. Oh, that is stunning. Here's a look at the back as well. The 109, I'm guessing these may be numbered then. These keyboards may be numbered, which is pretty cool. Wow, this is stunning. The transparent blue really does give it quite a nice edge. You've got some really nice grips on the back as well. Let's put that to the side here. You get your High Ground sticker, which is nice to see. And I'm guessing you get some accessories to customize your keyboard should you want that. And a cable here as well, which is direct to USB-C. It's braided, looks flexible. I'm intrigued as to what's in here. I can imagine this is like a big mouse pad or mouse mat, but the tube design is stunning. I'm not sure what variant of mats they do. Okay, they've got a watertight mat here. I didn't even see this on their website actually. So it's good to see that. Let's put, oh, wow. Okay, oh. You got Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Psyduck, Poliwag, Poliwhirl. Where's my boy Poliwrath? I don't know. Magikarp, Gyarados, Starmie, Staryu, Slowking, Slowbro. So that will go perfectly with the keyboard. Look at that combo. Ooh. There are links below for you to check it out yourself, but I'm just kind of giving you a unboxing and first impressions there and a first look. I think this is one of the first Blastoise keyboards I've seen in the wild, so that is a good look for you there. High Ground makes some incredible products, and I think this is one of the first times Pokemon has collaborated with a keyboard manufacturer, so it's good to see that us keyboard nerds and folks that are into their tech can get a little bit of nostalgia on their keyboards. Stunning. So I think they do Mewtwo, they do a couple of Pokeball variants, Charizard and Venusaur as well. So there you go. I'm not going to take up all your time. A little closer look there. Ooh. Bing, bang, bong. That is stunning.